Imagine waking up in Nigeria. No alarm, no boss shouting, and you check your phone. 5,000 naira, 10,000 naira, 25,000 naira, just like that. No shop, no office, no delivery stress. All you sold was a file. Let's be real. Salary no dey reach again. Prices they rise every week. You fit dey hustle from morning till night and still feel like you're stuck. But what if I show you a way people in Nigeria are making money online selling simple digital products like ebooks, Canva templates, and mini courses without big capital? In this video, I'll break it down step by step from zero knowledge to your first sale. And make sure you watch till the end because I'll show you the easiest product to start with if you're broke right now. No fluff, just real hustle strategy. Let's go. Number 1, what are digital products and why are Nigerians jumping into it? First thing, what exactly are digital products? Simple. Anything you create once and sell over and over again online. Examples: ebooks, PDF guides, Canva templates, CVs, business flyers, planners, online mini courses, checklists, or guides. Now, pause and think. Would you rather sell physical goods and stress about delivery, transport, damaged items, or sell something once and keep earning from it again and again? That's why this hustle is blowing up in Nigeria in 2026. Because no need for shop, no need for inventory, low or zero startup cost, you can start with just your phone. But here's where most people get it wrong. They think you need to be an expert. No, you just need to be one step ahead of someone else. Number 2, the easiest digital products to start in Nigeria, even if you're broke. Let me save you time. Not all digital products are beginner friendly. Here are the best ones to start with in Nigeria right now. 1. Ebooks, fastest to start. Example: how to pass WAEC without stress, how to save money on 50k salary, how to start POS business in Nigeria. If you've gone through something and learned it, you can turn it into an ebook. Use Canva, free, Google Docs, export as PDF. Done. Number 2, Canva template, underrated moneymaker. This one's sweet where. Examples: CV templates, Instagram post templates, business flyers, budget planners. People are lazy. They don't want to design from scratch. You create once, sell unlimited times. Number 3, mini courses, higher income potential. If you know something valuable, graphics design, crypto basics, WhatsApp marketing, baking, hair or makeup, record with your phone, upload, charge 2k to 10k. Now imagine this, you create just one product and sell it for 2,000 naira. If 50 people buy it in a month, that's 100,000 naira. And you didn't create it 50 times. Let that sink in. Number 3, step by step, how to create your first product using Canva. Let's make it practical. Step 1, pick a problem. Ask yourself, what do people always ask me? What problem have I solved before? Example: how to write a CV that gets jobs in Nigeria. Step 2, outline your content. Break it into sections: introduction, steps, examples, mistakes to avoid. Keep it simple, no grammar pressure. Number 3, design in Canva. Go to Canva, free. Choose ebook or document format. Add text, icons, simple colors. Don't overthink design. Clean and readable is enough. Number 4, export as PDF. Boom, your product is ready. Most people stop here, but this next step is where money comes in. Number 5, how to sell using Gumroad or alternatives in Nigeria. You need a platform to collect money and deliver your product. Best option, Gumroad. Why? Easy to use, accepts international payments, you can share link anywhere. Step by step, Create free Gumroad account. Upload your product, PDF, template, etc. Set price 1,000 naira to 5,000 naira for starters. Get your product link. That link is your shop. You can also use Seller, very popular in Nigeria, Paystack storefront, WhatsApp, and manual delivery if starting small. Quick question for you. If you post your product link today, will anyone buy? Probably not. That's where marketing comes in. Number 5, how to get your first sales. This is where most people fail. Listen carefully. Your product is not your business. Your audience is. You need people. Method 1, WhatsApp status on Directed Goldmine. Post like this. I just created a guide on how to save money in Nigeria. Who wants it? Add testimonials, even if free testers, before and after results, screenshots. Method 2, TikTok and Reels. Create short videos. 3 CV mistakes Nigerians make. Why your business is not growing. At the end, link in bio for full guide. Method 3, Twitter, X, Threads. Example, here's how I wrote a CV that got me interviews in Nigeria, down below. Drop value. At the end, I created a full template, link here. Pause and think again. You don't need 10,000 followers. Even 100 people that trust you can change your income. Number 6, mistakes to avoid so you don't waste time. Let me save you from frustration. Waiting for perfection. Your first product will not be perfect. Start anyway. Pricing too low. If you price at 200 naira, people won't value it. Start from 1,000 naira minimum. No marketing. You create product and just relax, money won't come. Copying blindly. Learn from others, but don't just copy. Add your own experience. Falling into scams. Nobody needs you to pay 50,000 naira to learn digital products. Everything you need is already online. Number 7, how to scale to 100K plus per month. Once you make your first 10K, don't stop. Do this. Create more products, bundle them together, increase price gradually, build email or WhatsApp list, improve your content. Example, ebook 2,000 naira, template pack 3,000 naira, bundle 5,000 naira. Now imagine 20 people buying bundle. 100K plus becomes realistic. Quick story. A guy in Lagos started selling Canva CV templates for 1,500 naira. First month, nothing. Second month, 5 sales. Third month, he started posting daily tips. Now, he's making over 150,000 naira per month. No office, just consistency. Look, nobody is coming to save you. Not the government, not your boss, but the internet. That one is open for anybody willing to learn and act. Digital products are one of the simplest ways to start making money online in Nigeria right now. No capital, no connection, just value. Start small, learn fast, improve daily. You don't need to blow overnight. Even 5K online income is a start. From there, you grow. Hustle mindset no be noise, na action. You fit do am. If this opened your eyes, hit that like button. Subscribe to Hustle Mindset for more real ways to make money in Nigeria. Comment Digital Hustle if you are starting today. And turn on the bell. No dulling.